Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I will show you WhatsApp tips like how to do faster chatting in WhatsApp. I'm not going to give you the any hacking tips or tricks. This is a simple setting in WhatsApp you can do, and it will be help to do your faster chatting. So just go to WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp, and tap on three dots here. Then go to setting. So before I will show you one more thing, okay? So for example, I'm going to chat with this guy, and when I type like hi, and I need to press this send option, as you can see. So this is the send icon. When I press this enter icon from the keyboard, it will take one space. Okay, so I'm going to make this enter space as my send button. So now I need to move my finger on the send icon, then I have to type like this. So I'm going to make this enter button as a send. So let's see how it works. Okay, go back and here go to three dots and setting, then go to chat. Okay, so simple thing is just check on this option. Enter is send. Enter key will send your message. That's it. Very simple. Don't need to do any hard work. Now let's see. Open the chat again. Here I'm going to type hi, and now you can see my enter key is converted to send. Then boom, that's it. Look at that. Hello, and then you need to use this icon to send. You don't need to press here to send your message. Look at that. You don't need to move your finger on the send icon. Just use this icon to send faster. Like boom, that's it. So I hope this tip will help you, and thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.